Hi guys, we are just about to create free applications using free no-code app builder that you can use right now in today's video. So I will share with you how to use this platform. I'm gonna reveal to you it, guys. I'm gonna share with you how you can use it completely for free without paying any money, and as well it will save you a lot of time because it's everything about drag and drop. You can change images, you can change links and all of the stuffs. I'm gonna share with you everything in this step-by-step tutorial. So if you are interested, keep watching it, please till the end. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you like my content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so this way you support me to upload more content. So let's get started. So in this tutorial we're gonna be using appsgeyser.com. Appsgeyser.com is an online platform that will help you to create applications with no code skills. So this is a no code app builder that you can use, and as well you can use it to build or to create mobile applications and mobile games. So you can use it as well to create games completely for free, which is amazing and I like it. And if you're a beginner, this is the best platform to use. So all what you need to do is just go to appsgeyser.com. I will leave the link in the description, and or just go to Google and type appsgeyser.com, and you will see this interface right here of this website or of this platform that will allow you to create applications and games online. So all what you need to do is just click on create app, and once you click on it, then they will ask you, or you will get asked, what kind of applications or games you want to create. So just scroll down. Right here we have the businesses. So this one's just for, so it says that create apps to grow your businesses and keep your clients engaged. So you can use it to build or to create a website or an application for your website. So if you have for example an e-commerce store, you can turn it into an application using this website just by using your link, only the link of your website, and you will have a customized application for your website. For YouTube, for Facebook page, you can turn as well your Facebook page into an application. Here is the RSS feed, here is the HTML code, the page, and the PDF tab, but we are not interested in the stuff, so I will share with you guys how you can use a website, right? I will work on two examples in this video. So the first one on to create or to turn a website into an application, and the second one I will go to individual part right here, or session. So right here we have more options that you will like this website after have a look at all of this examples that we have right here. So we're gonna use as well a template of a mobile game, which is the spin the bottle one. I liked it, and everybody like to play this game with their friends, because it's like spin the bottle. It's like the the old game. So as you can see right here, once you click on spin the bottle, right, just click on it, you will get redirected to this space right here, or to this interface where you can start customizing your own application or game. So here is the tasks. So this is what people should do after they get the bottle. For example, let's remove. Alright, so decide keys, make out French keys, nickel keys. About keys, but we are not interested in keys, please. You are interested in something like, okay, let's say something like subscribe, and the second one will say something like like, and the third one should be something like, I don't know, like, subscribe, something like comment. Alright, so this is what people will get as a results, right? So it says right here, click here to see the preview. So as well, it's pretty easy. Just you can use a different, for example, when it comes to bottle, we have right here different models, and if you have your own customized bottle right here, just click on custom and upload the image that you want to use instead of this examples right here. But for me, I will just use just like this yellow one, and right here we have the background as well. It's the same thing. We have many different backgrounds, but if you have your own, which is what I would like to suggest you to do, which is use your own customized designs to make your application unique, right? So I will use something like, let's go with the gray one, right? And all what I need right here to do is just click on refresh preview, right, to see the modifications on the application. Just wait a couple of seconds to see your yeah, here it is. So as you can see here, here it is. Right now here is the number. So this numbers actually are how many people are in the game, right? So let's say we are 4 people and we want to play the game, and here are we go. So here is the 1 2 3 4. It's for each player. So once you click on the bottle, it will start spinning, and let's see what you have to do. You as a viewer, so you have to comment. So leave a leave a comment in the below of this video, guys. So this is basically how it works. It's pretty easy, and once you set up everything and you changed the graphics and the background and the images, all what you need to do is just click on next, then give it a name, right? So just let's click on next. Right here, here is the app name, which is the package name, or the name of the application. Let's say something like, I don't know, something like the money show game. Okay, and click on next, and then you will get asked to enter your email, because if you didn't create an account, you will get asked to create an account using your email. It's really easy, and you will have your account and your file as an APK file to list it or to upload it into your Google Play account or in your iOS App Store, or to start to publish it and to start get downloads, and people will start using your application. And as well, if you want to use AdSense ads, or if you have any other mobile monetization platform, you can use it with them. You can go with the free with the free service, but they will include their ads on your application, so it will be something like 50-50 split, 50% for you and 50% for them when it comes to ad impressions. But if you go with the paid plan, I think then you will have your own application with no ads included, and it's good. So the second example is how to create an application for your website. It's really easy. All what you need to do is just go to this part right here, just go to businesses, right? Once you click on businesses, then you will see, alright, so just click on this button right here, which is convert business website to Android app. So once you click on this button right here, or in this choose right here, you will see this interface. I just entered the Binance link right here just to see how it works, and it's really easy. So all what you need to do is just enter the link right here of your website. That's all. Just you link and click on save, and you will get asked to download your APK file, and boom, you have a customized application for your website. Let's type something like Google, right? Google.com, and click on refresh preview, and you will see that boom, look, it's really easy actually, and it's pretty fast, and it will it doesn't require any code skills and all of these stuff. And you can actually type something in the search bar, like something like Will Smith, because everybody's talking about Will Smith this week. So yeah, that's it, pretty much. That's it. It's really easy. Hope you like it. Please press the like button, and if you like my content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video, guys.